Hi friends, I'm your friend, motivational speaker, language expert and counselor Ganesh Patil. Today we are going to discuss difference between perfect present and simple past. In regional languages, perfect present and simple past appears to be similar. However, there is a notable and important difference between both of these tenses. Simple past takes second form of the verb. Perfect present takes have has plus third form of the verb. This is the basic difference in structure. But in use also there is important difference. Simple past shows action completed or habitual past. For example, Sham opened the book. Sham opened the book. The action is complete. The action was completed or completed. Woodcutter went to jungle every day. Habitual action. The sentences with past adverb take simple past. Sambhaji visited the fort yesterday. Yesterday, and therefore it should be simple past. Now let us see perfect present. Perfect present is used to show the actions that are just completed, recently completed, lately completed. For example, Subhash had just finished his lunch. Abdul has recently visited the lab. Past events with influence on present are also shown using perfect present tense. Important. I have already seen this movie. I have already seen. Maybe long back in the past, and therefore I need not see it now, or therefore I would not get interested in watching this movie now. Currently, perhaps my friends are insisting that I should go with them to watch that movie. And so the incident that took place in the past but has relation with present or influence on present, this kind of actions are also shown using perfect present. Another kind of actions that we can show using perfect present are the actions that started in past and or came into existence, or things that came into existence in past and they still continue to exist, or those actions still continue. For example, Sachin has played in Indian team for 20 years. Virat Kohli has played in Indian team for 20 years now. Well, so you can see actions started in past still continue. This can also be shown using continuous perfect present. However, sometimes perfect present may be used. It would be appropriate to consider common errors in simple past so that you can understand the uses of these tense clearly. Sham just opened the book. This is a wrong use. When just is used in the sentence, we should use perfect present. Disha recently played kabaddi. Now, recently, if you are using, you should take perfect present. So you can simply say Disha played kabaddi. If you are taking recently, you must take perfect present. Sambhaji lately visited the fort yesterday. Now, when you are taking yesterday, then you must take simple past. And if you are taking lately, then you should take perfect present. So when you are taking lately, you need not take yesterday. Or when you are taking lately, recently, just, then you must take perfect present. Now see, Rudra qualified NET, so he is eligible now. Rudra qualified NET in the past, so he is qualified now. The past action, maybe 1 year, 2 years back, he qualified, maybe 6 months back. But because of that, he is qualified now. So the past action has an influence on present, and therefore it should be told in perfect present. So simple present is wrong here. Now let's have a look at perfect present. Some sentences. Subhash had just finished his lunch. Had just finished. It's correct. Abdul has recently visited lab. Has recently visited lab. That's correct. Let's have a look at some common errors in perfect present. I have completed graduation in 2001. 2001 indicates past, and therefore we must not take perfect present. If we want to take perfect present, we must not take adverb indicating past. We have worked here yesterday. Yesterday indicates past. So either yesterday should be removed or the sentence should be in simple past. He has eaten the apple. It has relation with present. He has eaten the apple, so he is not ready to eat anything now.